Today is another open collaboration. This collaboration takes place every third Saturday of each month. If you are interested in participating, please reach out to me, Ray or Loli, on Instagram. I'm also going to tell you more about this open collaboration a little later, but now let's jump into our first DIY. Initially, I started working on this project experimenting with gold and white paint, but I wasn't quite satisfied with the results. It ended up in the sidelines. Forgot about it for several years. However, today I am thrilled to reveal how I'm going to be transforming it into something completely new and exciting. As you see, I'm sanding this out because I want to make sure that everything is nice and even. In the beginning, I thought that I was going to give it just one coat with spray paint, and this is why I'm sanding it. But when I took it outside, I noticed that it was storming over here in Illinois. So plan B, I decided to give it one coat with black chalk paint along with some baking soda, and then I gave it several coats. But before I get into painting it with black chalk paint, I'm gonna go ahead and create two handles for either side of this beautiful vase. And I'm using molding clay. I purchased this at Amazon. Using this molding clay, I'll be creating two handles, shaping them into the vase. Once the clay hardens, I'll securely attach them using some hot glue. And here it is. This is what I'm going to be using, this black chalk paint. I'm going to give it one coat without the baking soda. Then later on, I'll come in with the second coat using baking soda. By combining the baking soda and the black chalk paint, I'm aiming to achieve a pleasantly thick consistency. Applying this mixture to this existing vase will grant it the appearance of being made with either stone or cement. And now let's give it that second coat. This is going to turn out so beautiful. I'm using a thicker brush, and the way that I am applying it is from side to side. So it's going to be horizontal all the way around. And as you can see those lines that the brush is creating, and that's exactly what I'm aiming for. I'm also going to be showing you this beautiful vase just as is, and then later on I'm coming back and I'm going to be showing you how you can also decorate it using metallic gold paint, and then you can let me know which one you like the best. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up if you have enjoyed how I redecorated this beautiful vase. And in case you didn't like this vase only in black, then I came in with this gold metallic acrylic paint, and I am going to be adding a little bit of gold on the vase. I thought I would display both options. My preference is the one with the gold, but please leave me in the comment section which is your favorite. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Remember, the subscription is completely free. And here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. Today's collaboration event focuses on reviving your past DIY failures, where participants, including myself as the host, will work together to create new and improved projects. And it is being hosted, of course, by myself, DIY with Audia, along with Ray, One Way Designs 238, and Loli D's Creations. We also have two co-hosts, Gazelle Creative Studios and At Home with Gigi. I'm gonna be leaving the links down in my description box directly to their channels along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit these talented creators and give them a lots of love by sharing, subscribing, and liking. Please make sure to watch their video all the way until the end and leave them a comment and let them know which inspiration you like the best. And moving along with our second project or fail project, I am going to start taking this little black ribbon off of here, and I am going to be giving it one coat with black chalk paint. And I'm using the leftover paint from the prior project, and it also has some baking soda. So I waited until everything was dry. Now I'm flipping it around, and I'm going to be also painting the bottom portion of this pretty vase. This is going to turn out really pretty. I'm very impressed of the outcome. Don't go away. Make sure that you watch this video all the way into the end so you could let me know which is your favorite DIY, or should I call it project. So now I'm going to go ahead and mark where I'm going to be putting the mirror tiles at. I want to make sure that it's nice and leveled. And now it's time to decorate this beautiful vase. I took these mirror tiles from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take them apart. I'm gonna make different strips with it, and that's how I'm going to start placing them around the vase, just where the line is at, making sure that it's nice and leveled. After that was put in place, the mirror tiles, I came in with some pearls, and I added 2 strips with the pearl on the upper portion of the mirror and the bottom portion. You'll see, it'll all make sense. And here is the pearls. I thought that, the mirrors alone was looking a little bit too plain, so I decided to add these 2 strips, and as well it would help cover the gold line that I previously thought it would look nice, so I kind of like went over it, but I didn't like it. So now I'm adding the pearls, and this is it. I am hoping that you do enjoy this beautiful project. Let me know if you think that this looks much better than the one, should I call it the fail one? I totally forgot that I had this project. It was somewhere in the back of my stash, all the way in the bottom. So now I'm adding some white leaves along with some pumpkins, and this is it. I am hoping that you like it, and if you do, don't forget that big thumbs up. And now for our third project, I had this for a long time. I put it somewhere in a box because I didn't like the way it looked. So I lost some of these diamonds, if you can call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything, and then once that is removed, I will start giving it one coat with white chalk paint. I also want to remind you to go and visit the playlist as soon as you watch this video. These talented creators are so talented, you will not regret visiting them. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a line the same way that I did with project number 2, only this time I'm using a red ink pen. This is all I had in hand. I'm gonna do the same thing, and I am also going to be putting some mirror tiles around it. I am loving this one. I think this is by far my favorite, but you must let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put several of these strips around this beautiful vase, and then once it's done, I also have a brooch that I purchased many years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here with plenty of hot glue, making sure that this doesn't move from its place. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final reveal. Let me know in the comment section once again which is your favorite DIY. And also please consider subscribing if you have not done so. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'll see you in the next one.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray. Talk it over, that's okay.